Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning money, and yesterday we have completed multiplication of rupees and paise. Today we are going to start division of rupees and paise. Okay children? So yesterday we have completed exercise 7.6. Today we are going to start money, chapter money. And division of rupees and paise. Okay children, this is our topic for today. So we are going to learn, first of all, our previous knowledge, we are very well known how to divide numbers. Okay. So similarly, we will do in this concept also. It is quite simple as we are doing. We have already done the chapter of division and we know how to divide the things equally. So here children, we are going to learn how to divide money, or you can say rupees and paise, in a proper manner. Okay, for this I would like to give you one example, that is example number 1. Divide, here you can see 96 paise, okay, by 4. Okay, this is first example I am going to show you, that how we can divide this paise or rupees in a proper way. The rule will be followed that we have done in our previous chapter, division. Same concept will be followed over here. Similarly, we will do division over here. The difference only is we have to write in rupees and paise. That's all, nothing else. So children, let's start division of 96 paise by 4. How can we divide children? So we are going to write 96 paise over here, and this is 4. Now first of all, what we will do, we will tell the table of 4 how many times the 9 will come. So here children, you can see 9 will come over here, that 4, because in 4 table you will never get 9. So that is why we will tell the table of 4 2 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 children. Okay. So here we will see, we will subtract over here 9 minus 8, we will get 1, and this 6 will be carry over here, or you can say we are just drag down this 16 over here. And now we are going to start division by 4. How many times the 16 we will get? So we will get 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are children, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16. So here children, 4 fours are 16. Here you can see nothing will be left. 24 is the answer. If we will do 96 paise division by 4, we will get 24. Okay, we will get 24 paise. Why paise? Because this is 96 paise and we are going to divide with 4 by 4. So here 96 paise, whatever the product will come, we will say 24 paise. Okay. So here children, the first example I have shown you, that is quite simple. First we will do table of 4. How many times the 9 will come in the table? So we will tell the table of 4. Now here 4 twos are 8. Now because this can be subtracted, because 9 is bigger than 8, so it's quite simple to subtract. So we will write 1 over here, 6 will be dragged down over here, then 4 fours are 16 children. Now here 16 will be cut, so 24 is the answer. So here children, 96 paise divided by 4 equal to 24 paise. So similarly we will do our next example also. Children, you can see I'm going to write the next example also. So this is example number 2. Okay. Example number 2 we are going to write. Now here children, you can see rupees 112 by 8. Okay. So here rupees 112 we have to divide by 8. Okay. So here we are going to write over here 8 and 112 rupees. So how can we divide this? First of all, we will see that there is only and only 112 rupees. Okay, so we will start from this table, that is 8 number. So 8, in 8 number table you can't get 11. So that is why we will see over here, we will take this 8 one time. So here children, 11 minus 8, so 9, 10, 11, the 3 we will get. Okay. Now here 2 will be dragged down over here, so it will become 32. Now children, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32. So here children, 8 fours are 32 we will write over here, and here 14 will be answer. So here rupees divided by 8 we will get 14 rupees. Okay, rupees 14 is the answer. So as we have done in our division chapter, similarly we will do, nothing new is there. You just remember that we are doing division of rupees and paise. So if the amount of rupees over here, it is given over here, so we will write the answer in the rupees. If it is given in the paise, so we will write the answer in the paise. So this is the difference only, or nothing different, but similarly as we have done the division in our previous chapters, similarly we will do over here also. So children, complete it. This is 2 examples I have given. Now children, we will solve one more example, that is 3rd number example. Children, here you can see I am going to give you 3rd number example, is rupees 15, okay, and 00 paise by 4. Okay, rupees 15 and 00 paise by 4. It means rupees 15 is there. So now we will divide it. Children, 4 we will write over here. Now here 15 and 00 over here, because exactly we have to write over here. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are, okay. So we will write 4 threes are 12. Okay, and after that the number we will get the bigger than 15. So that is why 4 threes are 12 we will write, 4 threes are 12. Now here children, 5 minus 2 we will get, after the subtraction 5 minus 2 we will get 3 and nothing will be there. So leave this. Now we are going to write down 0 over here. So we will write 0, and because we want to write 0, that is why we just put a 1 0, and here 4 sevens are. 4 sevens are, here children, 4 sevens are, we will get 28. Okay, now here 10 minus 8, if we will give 1, so it will become 10 minus 8, we will get 2. Okay, so again we have to write 0 over here. Then we will say 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20 children. 4 fives are 20 children. Here you can see 4 fives are 20. So here nothing will be remaining. So here the answer you will get Answer we will get rupees 3 and 75 paise. Okay? Answer we will get rupees 3 and 75 paise. Okay? So write it down over here. Remainder nothing. Quotient is 3 and 75. Okay? So write it down. This is your third example. Okay? Now we are going to start our exercises. So let's start our exercise. Exercise number 7.7, children. After these examples, we can able to solve exercise number 7.7. So we should start exercise 7.7, children. So this exercise you can find on page number 126 in your perfect composite mathematics. So children, take out your book and we are going to start our exercise number 7.7. Okay? So children, exercise 7.7 we are going to start. So here children, you can see divide and fill in the blanks. Divide and fill in the blanks, children. Okay? So here we are going to do divide and fill in the blanks. So we are going to do first one here. Okay? Now first is rupees 32. Rupees 32 divided by 4. Okay? So we will write the answer in rupees. So here children, rupees 32 divided by 4. So we will write, we just do this 32. So here you can see dividend is 32 and divisor is 4. So here children, 4 ones are 4, 4 you just tell the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. And here 4 you can say children 4 8s are, we will get 32. So we will write 4 8s are 32. Okay, 8 is the quotient. So here we will write 8, rupees 8. Okay, so answer is rupees 8, children. So write it down. This is our first number we have completed. Now we are going to do our second number. Second number is 75 paise. 75 paise divided by 5. So we will write the answer in paise. Okay? So first we will going to divide this. So here 5 say we have to divide 75. So here children, 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Here you can see 7 minus 5 we will get 2. Now this we will be write down over here, children. So this is 25. So children, as you all know, 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. Children, here you can say 15 paise. The answer is 15. Okay? Here you can see the quotient is 15 paise. So we will write 15 paise over here. Okay children? Completed children? Simply we will do division. Nothing else is there. So you just complete it. Okay? Now we are going to do number 3. Number 3 is, if you will see number 3, at number 3 you can see rupees 144. Rupees 144 divided by 8. And it will come in rupees, children. The answer will become in the rupees. Now children, we will do first 144 divided by 8. Okay, so 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So that is why we will tell the table of 8 one time. So 8 ones are 8, we will write. Okay, now here 14 minus 8 we will get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 6 we will get. Now we have to write 4 over here. Now we will tell the table of 8 how many times we will get 64. So here 8 8s are 64. Okay, 64. Now 18 rupees we will get. Okay, so write it down, 18 rupees. This is the quotient of this. So answer will be 18 rupees, rupees 18. The third number answer is rupees 18. Completed, children? Now children, we are going to do number 4. Okay, so for this I have to erase this. Number 4. Number 4 is now children we will do 4 number, that is rupees 19, rupees 19 and 92 paise divided by 6, and you will get the answer in rupees. Okay children, so first we will do this 90. So here 19.92 divided by 6. Okay children, so here children we are going to do division. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. 18 we will see. So children, here you can see 18. 18 we are going to minus 9 minus 8, 1. Nothing will be left. Now we will write it down 9 over here. Okay, so because here you can see, so we are going to put 1 dot over here, and here 9 will be drag over here. Again we will see 3s are 18, 1, here we will drag 2, so 6 2s are 12. So here we will get 3 rupees 32 paise. 3 rupees 32 paise children. So this is your answer, 3 rupees 32 paise. Okay, 3 rupees 32 paise children. So completed children. Now 4 number we have done. First answer is rupees 8, then 15 paise, then 18 rupees, and then rupees 3 and 32 paise. So completed. Now children we will do number 5. Number 5 we are going to do children. At number 5 you can see rupees 40 and 40 paise divided by 8, and answer you will get in rupees. Okay, so here we will do 8 divided by 40 and 40 paisa. So children, 40, nothing will be left. Okay, so we will write 0 over here. Okay, so we will write 4 and then 0. Okay, 4, we will write 0 and then 0. Okay, so 5, 8 5s are 40. So we will get over here, the answer is 5, 5, 0, 5. Okay, 5 rupees 5 paise. So children, similarly we will do this exercise. Completed, children? Now we are going to do 6 number exercise. At 6 number exercise, you can see rupees 5700 and divided by 6, and you will get the answer into rupees. Okay, so here children, 57.00 and 6 children. Now children, we will do 6. We will tell the table of 6 children. So 6 9s are 54. Okay, we're just going to divide. So children, here you can see we are going to put a point. Now after that we will just drag this 0. Now 6, we will tell the table of 6. 6 5s are 30. So here children, if you will write 0 0, it will not be cut. So 9.5 is the answer. Okay, so completed children. I hope it is clear to you. So we have completed children today exercise number 7.7 of question 1 to 6. Okay, so complete it, and we will do tomorrow exercise number 7.7, question number 7 to 11. Okay children, so complete it, and we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.